Hello everyone, welcome back to another video on Elite Academy and welcome back to our Diya prelims. So today we are going to discuss very important topic, Battle of Saraighat. Battle of Saraighat is very important from medieval history point of view. It is very important from the Indian history where especially when we are talking about the unsung heroes. That's if we think from that point of view, this battle and the person about whom we are going to discuss is very important. ठीक है, तो डिस्कस करते हैं. Then you will get to know the clarity, you will get to know about why aspects. And since we discussed in Diya prelims, we discussed the current affairs which was in news. So ये न्यूज़ में था एंड न्यूज़ का बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट कंपोनेंट है, करंट अफेयर्स में बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. सो वी विल अंडरस्टैंड, बट येस एज यूजुअल फर्स्ट वी विल टेक द क्वेश्चन एंड देन वी विल ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड. सो द क्वेश्चन इज कंसिडर द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट्स अबाउट लक्षित बाड़फुकान. So the two statements are there. He defeated Mughals in the Battle of Saraighat, Mughals and Battle of Saraighat. Second, he was a commander of Ahom kingdom. So which of the above statements is or are correct? One only, two only, both or none? So as usual, you have to take your stand and let us know what is your stand. अपना दिमाग लगाओ, हिस्ट्री को रिकॉल करो, देखते हैं कि क्या आंसर है आपका. And in the meantime, we will discuss. So why it was in news? So here we have the article which is saying that Lakshit Barfukan, the ever valiant Ahom general of Assam who defeated Mughal invaders. This was the one of the advertisement by the Assam government of Assam for celebrating 400th birth anniversary of Lakshit Barfukan. ओके और इसको एक नेशनल लेवल पे सेलिब्रेट करने के लिए असम गवर्नमेंट ने सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट से रिक्वेस्ट भी किया था. And this was the news article which was there in the month of November, and it is saying Lakshit Barfukan at 400 remembering the naval chief who defeated Aurangzeb's army. So Mughal में भी अगर बात करें कि किसकी आर्मी, so it was the army of Aurangzeb and prevented the Mughal conquest of Assam. So because of this battle of Saraighat, the expansion of Mughal army, the expansion of Aurangzeb's army in Assam was checked. That's why he is known as the hero of Assam nationalism. He is known as the hero of Ahom kingdom. Very able leader, very able general, chief, naval chief of Ahom kingdom. ठीक है? So the battle of Saraighat 1671. Year पता होना चाहिए. Battle of Saraighat 1671. Lakshit Barfukan galvanized the forces of Ahom kingdom to inflict a heavy defeat on the Mughal forces, which was led by not Aurangzeb, it was led by Rajput King Ram Singh. So Rajput King Ram Singh was sent by Aurangzeb. Aurangzeb ने ऑर्डर दिया कि जाइए आप लड़िए और आप एक्सपेंशन कीजिए मुगल एम्पायर का. So that is how Rajput King Ram Singh was checked by the Lakshit Barfukan in the battle of this Saraighat 1671, and it was a navy battle. We will see the detail, then you will get to know. Okay, then there were multiple articles in the month of November. There were multiple articles. There was another article, Ahom warrior Lakshit Barfukan and the battles of Alabhoi and battle of Saraighat. So whenever we are talking about Lakshit Barfukan, we have two names, two battles, battle of Alabhoi and battle of Saraighat. Okay, so our President Ramnath Kovind was there. He inaugurated the year-long celebration of the 400th birth anniversary of Lakshit Barfukan, who was the commander of Ahom forces and icon of Assam nationalism. ठीक है, अभी कुछ डिटेल्स समझ लेते हैं. So Ahom kingdom, as we know, it was there in Assam, और Assam पहले अलग-अलग states में नहीं बटा हुआ था. So this was Ahom kingdom for us. And Lakshit Barfukan was known for leading the Ahom troop, and he fought the advancing Mughal troops at the Battle of Saraighat on the outskirts of Guwahati. So Guwahati के outskirts पे कहीं ये हमारा बाड़फुकान था. Sorry, this Saraighat was there, and naval था, तो you know कि किस तरीके का होगा. Ahom kings, अगर अब Ahom kingdom के बारे में देखें, so we have already discussed. If you have gone through our video, the Indian pyramids, then there I have discussed about Ahom kingdoms in detail. If you have not watched, please go and watch that video. That is very important. because that is another story from the current affairs which is representing the Ahom kingdom, and it was again very important. So it is again very important development from current affairs point of view. Okay, so they were leading the large parts of the Assam, and the neighboring states. At that time Assam was a larger state, and they have ruled nearly for 600 years between this 13th to 19th century. So in this period of 13th to 19th century, for 600 years, Ahom kingdoms, they have ruled. And they were able to check the expansion of Mughals. That is very important. Talking about the other details about Lakshit Barphukan. So this battle of Saraighat, as you can see the symbolic image, navy is there, Lakshit Barphukan is leading. And two battles which we should know with respect to Lakshit Barphukan is Battle of Alaboi, which was fought in 1669. ये months वगैरह याद रखने की जरूरत नहीं है. 69 याद रखो, 67 याद रखो. 1671 and 1669. Sorry, here I told some other year. So it was fought in the Alaboi hills near Guwahati, and here Lakshit Barphukan was engaged in guerrilla warfare. And it was fought on land. यहाँ पे कुछ setbacks भी हुए लक्षित बाड़फुकान को, but because of his strategy, because of the understanding about the terrain, he was indulged in this guerrilla warfare. फिर वो राजपूत किंग राम सिंह थे, उन्होंने थोड़ा massive attack किया. But next time in the battle of Saraighat, he made the Mughals fight this naval battle, and because of this fight and because of his strategies, he was able to defeat them. He was able to put a check on the Mughal expansion. उसकी भी story बड़ी interesting है. पहले मुगल्स को लग रहा था कि ये लक्षित बारफुकान is not well, he is not there, so they were thinking कि अभी तो he is not there, but suddenly he comes and अपनी टीम को मोटिवेट करता है, अपने कमांडर्स को मोटिवेट करता है और मैसिव अटैक करता है और उनको हराता है. ठीक है. And we are celebrating the 400th birth anniversary. That's why he is important. Other than, if you are like somehow, if you have followed this NDA, you know about National Defense Academy. So if you have followed National Defense Academy, उसमें best cadet के लिए gold medal दिया जाता है. So Lakshit Barphukan gold medal instituted in 1999 is given to the best cadet from the National Defense Academy, Khadagwasla, Pune. And you will also find this bust of Lakshit Barphukan at the entrance gate of the academy, NDA's entrance gate पे आपको मिलेगा. So Battle of Saraighat, the Lakshit Barphukan became famous, and this title of Master Strategist was given to him. If we compare him with the great other generals from the different parts of the country. So definitely this battle, this name is very important, and it is very important from the Assam's history point of view, India's history point of view, and जो हमारी medieval history है उसके लिए बहुत important है. ठीक है. Now, as I told you that there is another video which you should watch. So this is the video which you should watch, Indian pyramids, and this is there in the playlist. Go and check the Indian pyramids video. It will be there in the playlist. And do watch it, because this video is very, very important. Here I have discussed about the Ahom kingdoms. Okay? So this video is important, and now we will revisit the question again. So the question is about Lakshit Barphukan. He defeated the Mughals in the Battle of Saraighat. So this is correct. Yes, definitely it is correct. And he was the commander of Ahom kingdom. So this statement is also correct. Battle of Saraighat, as we have discussed, 1671, and Battle of Alaboi, that is also in 1669. और भी history है, but exam के point of view से हमें इतना ही जानना है. So which of the above statements are correct? Both the statements are correct. So the option C is correct. Okay. So this is it, guys. I hope it was a very quick revision. अगर आप लोगों ने इसको पहले से पढ़ रखा था तो बहुत अच्छा revision हुआ है. अगर नहीं पढ़ा था तो एक अच्छी understanding हुई है. And very important from exam point of view, because medieval history पे UPSC का ज़्यादा focus है. One. Second, this story of Lakshit Barphukan is talking about unique experience, unique story of India's history, unsung heroes. तो इसलिए बहुत important हो जाता है. ठीक है. And ऑन द सिमिलर लाइंस वी हैव ऑल्सो डिस्कस्ड बैटल ऑफ कोलाचल। बैटल ऑफ कोलाचल में भी एक बड़ी यूनिक चीज है कि इंडियंस ने किसी को हराया है, जहां पे भी हमारे ऐसे कल्चर एलिमेंट्स को हाईलाइट किया जा रहा है जहां पे हम अपने इंडियंस की हिस्ट्री ग्लोरीफाई हो रही है। डोंट मिस दैट, स्पेशली nowadays. Okay, so battle of Kolachal also we have discussed there. Our it was in the state of Travancore, और वहां हमने डच ईस्ट इंडिया कंपनी को हराया था. So that battle is also very important. We have discussed and it is there in the playlist. So keep a track of such news. एक आई रखो, फॉलो करो कि ऐसी न्यूज आपसे मिस नहीं होनी चाहिए. And that is how the current affairs plays very important role in our preparation. The course is already there. 1.5 years video discussion, questions, notes, synopsis, everything you will get. You can check the detail in the playlist. And take care of yourself, take care of your current affairs, take care of your preparation. कोई भी aspect preparation का miss नहीं होना चाहिए, CSAT हो or any aspect of preparation. ठीक है guys? So take care. See you all in next video. Bye bye.